Thread impression. You must have performed this activity in your previous classes. Today, we will do it again. First, dip a thread in any color and place it on the corner of a white sheet. Fold the page, making a center crease. Then, pull out the thread from one end, keeping the paper pressed. Draw the body parts of the bird as shown. Cut out the drawn shape and paste it on the space provided. See, your picture is ready. Pom-Pom wreath. Today, we will make a pom-pom wreath with some large and small cotton balls, seasonal decorations and a thick cardboard. First, draw a circle of diameter 6 inch on the cardboard. Then, draw another circle of diameter 4 inch inside the previously drawn circle. Ask an adult to cut it out with a pair of scissors as shown in the picture. Then, glue the large cotton balls on the cardboard and stick the smaller balls between them. Glue the decorations on the cotton balls. Leave the glue to set for 2 hours. See, it looks attractive, isn't it? Friendship tree. Today, we will make a friendship tree with the help of leaves, stickers and different colored paper. Let's start. First, draw a tree on the brown paper with enough branches for your friends or close family members. Cut it out carefully and paste it on a thick white sheet. Let it dry. Then start sticking leaves on the branches of your paper tree one by one. Stick labels for each person you are going to put on your friendship tree. Stick your own leaf at the bottom of the tree. See, a beautiful friendship tree is ready.